Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here. It's Thursday, April 23rd. The market just closed. I am in my Apex Trader Funding account, and I'll show you how I did. I streamed for like 3 hours today, so some of you that watch my update videos were hanging out on the stream and already saw. So if you're coming back to watch the recap of how I did, me walking through every account, thank you. And if you're here for the first time, thank you again. If you missed the stream and you come back, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So anyway, here's how we did. This account, these two are on days 4 of being traded as funded accounts. So 56 today, I did $320.90. 57, I did 393. The special thing about this one, and I'll come back to it, is this was just one trade. And if I'll try to find it, it was earlier in the day, so but I'll try to find it. I don't even know if this one is the most exciting one, because this one, 59, I messed up on a trade, a couple of trades, and I found myself quickly down like 11 or 12 or $1,300. And I was getting a little nervous, like, shit, am I gonna nuke another funded account during a live stream? Because I've done that already twice, I think. But I was able to, follow my rules. Really, I was just trading on playing the 34 on the 1 minute, the EMA and the SMA, and I might have been playing some pivot point action also, and I was able to work it all the way back, and finish up $246.80. So once I made that last trade, it was a big one. Where was that last trade? Let me move. How do I make my head smaller? Is that the smallest? Oh my God, that is the smallest. Let me move this shit out of the way. Move it here. Let me find out when I made that trade. 12:04, which was 3 o'clock. So basically when power hour started, this was my last big trade. I was still down, but this pushed me over the top and got me to, I did take another trade. This got me green, basically. So I played this rejection off of the 34. I got in one at the EMA and then got in another at the SMA because it popped over. And then it came back and I got 265 from 1 and 4. So $665 from this one trade, right? And then that's what pushed me over. And then this one basically took me to the next level and got me to 246. So I was basically up 100, and that got me another 145, and then I was done for the day. So that one was fun because I worked it all the way back. Like, I could go through a bunch of trades here. It's 80, 90, blah, blah, blah. So that's 59. Here's 60. This was not a one and done trade, but I did good. Made 237.60, and then here's 61, 359.50. So let's do the math. These are all funded accounts for Apex. I don't have any evals. All 5 are funded. 359.50 plus 237.60. These are all on. So 59, 60, and 61 are on day 2. 56 and 57 are on day 1. Oh no, day 4. Sorry, these 2 are on day 4. These 3 are on day 2. 59 to 246.80. 246.80 plus 57 did 393.80. They got the 80 cents in there because of stupid fees. I don't know why I have to pay. I guess it's like real life, but it's a sim. It's not even. It's a simulated account. It's not live trading. It's not a live account. But whatever. It's all part of the fun. 320.90 plus 320.90. So overall for the day, plus $1,558.60. Pretty cool, especially considering yesterday, and that's all 5 accounts being green. Considering yesterday, during the overnight, Sunday into Monday, I traded all 5 of my funded accounts, and I finished plus 1805. So between both days, 1558 plus 1805 plus 1805. That's $3,363 of, quote unquote, real money. It's not real until I pull it and they send it to my bank account, but it's real money because these are funded accounts, and as long as I could continue to grow them and I get them to eligibility for withdrawal within the withdrawal period, then it becomes real money. So definitely 2 great days in a row. And it was just me following my rules. I mean, we had, lots of opportunities all day. I mean, we had, um, is it an NQs? We had, we popped. So we were out of my range in terms of the stuff I like to do. I like to play VWAP. So this is the upper VWAP bands that we kept bouncing off of. But by the time I started trading these, because I was trading my Take Profit Trader eval account before all of this, and then we kind of got to the pivot point, got over the pivot point by a lot, and then I was relying on the 1 minute 34 EMA and SMA, which is money. I would add it to you. I highly recommend you add it to your chart. You'll see a lot of action. It'll bounce, and it would reject off of it a bunch of times. It'll keep hitting it, coming back down. Eventually, it'll go through, and then it becomes support. Well, I don't want to count there because that's when Tesla had earnings. But look, there's just so much action around the 34. So I was just looking for that to happen, and then we finally got back around the pivot point, and then around here. This is the NQ. Here's the pivot point we kind of rejected. This is an area of support we bounced off of. We actually dumped under it. We broke support. Here are the Qs. We had a bunch of action around this area of support, right? Bounced off the pivot point a couple of times. I played some of those bounces. Then we had this, we were holding resistance around. This is the upper VWAP band on the Qs. And then here's this line of support. We finally broke under it and then came back. And then Tesla's earning happens, and then we popped like crazy. But I was done trading before Tesla's earnings posted. Thank God, because it went crazy. We had some crazy, literally, we had this happen. Tesla's earnings starts coming around, and this one candle went up 46 points. I'm glad I wasn't in anything. Glad I wasn't short, especially. But yeah, overall, a great day. The market was up like crazy, and I'm very happy. That's not why I was up, because I played a lot of shorts and stuff like that. But I was playing within my rules, and that's the name of the game. Once you establish some rules and strategies, you don't want to deviate from them. Even if you only have one that you know for sure works, just don't trade anything else. Just trade that one strategy until you could learn some other strategies, and you develop other strategies. And when you're learning new strategies and you're developing and you're practicing or testing them, trade smaller than you normally would. Instead of trading a mini, which is what I like to trade, maybe trade 2 or 3 micros when you're testing a new strategy until you're confident enough that it's a winning strategy where your probability is high that you're going to win the trade. So I feel like I'm losing my voice. I was on the stream for 3 hours. We had a lot of fun. I think there was as many 18 people on there at one time, 18 or 19 people. We definitely were all hanging out basically. Guys were watching me trade. Guys were trading. Guys, girls. I think there were a couple. I don't know if any ladies were on today, but sometimes there are some. But yeah, we were all just hanging out. We all want to win. We're all helping each other. We're all rooting for each other. There's no hating. It's actually a good group of people, a really good group of people hanging out on the stream. So if you haven't gotten to hang out, try to join me on the next one. And anyway, once again, if you want to try out Apex for the first time, or you want to get a new eval for Apex, use my coupon code, which is in the description below. Same thing with Take Profit Trader, which I'm about to make an update video for. My coupon code is in the description below. It's ZERODAYJAY for Take Profit Trader, and then it's some mumbo jumbo for Apex, which I'm working on getting a custom coupon code. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, please. Because I post these updates every day I trade, and I'm pretty much posting videos every day, and I stream every day now too when I'm trading. Towards the end of the day, usually around 1:30, 2 o'clock, I'll go into close and through close, depending on what's going on. So once again, thank you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon, all right?